Morning Shen Stars, how are you all? Welcome to the class of business studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic first chapter of economics, development. Development is having different aspects. Different persons can have different development goals, or development for one may not be the development for other. It may even be destructive for the other. In a country like India, it's very difficult to decide about different decisions regarding development because our country is an example of unity in diversity. We are having people of different cultures, different color, different caste, different religions living in the country. So whatever decisions are taken by the government, if they are good or they are beneficial for one sector or one sect of the population, they may be destructive for the others. So this is a complex task, and in this chapter we will make a beginning at understanding the development. Development is having many aspects. In this chapter we will understand this idea. We will understand that people have different perspectives on development, and there are ways by which we can arrive at common indicators of development. There are certain indicators like per capita income, literacy rate, infant mortality rate, attendance ratio, life expectancy, gross enrollment ratio, human development index. All these statistics are different indicators or different tools to study the development rates of different countries. So in this chapter we will study about all these different aspects, what development promises for different peoples with different goals. The people of our country are of different cultures, different religions, and there is inequalities in income, there is inequality in literacy rates also. So if we have to take all the different categories of people together, we should think upon it very wisely so that whatever decisions regarding development are taken by the government, they should be beneficial. If not beneficial, they should not be destructive for sections of the population. Income and other goals are also important part of development. Besides seeking more income one way or the other, people also seek things like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others. Different needs of the people are there. They start with the basic needs and they are followed by psychological needs, safety needs, social needs, self-esteem needs. So, no doubt monetary demands or monetary needs are there, but apart from them, social and self-esteems are also playing an important role. A person is developed when he is satisfied in monetary and non-monetary both aspects. Money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends, but the quality of our life also depends on non-material things like respect, self-respect, freedom, equal treatment, sense of security. These things are also important. So it is not obvious for us to think of the role of our friends in our life, role of our relatives in our life, role of social life in our life. We also desire for friendship apart from the different other means to live. Similarly, for development, people look at a mix of goals. It is true that if a woman are engaged in paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. However, it is also the case that if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. So, developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things of life. There should not be inequalities. There should not be male dominance in the society. Equality in terms of religions, equality in terms of income, equality in terms of sex differences. They should be there in the country to bring all the people together. In our next video, we will study about national development. These are the basic things that we need to understand before studying about the development. The different aspects. Development not only means increase in incomes or gaining more and more monetary gains and expanding or increasing your bank balances. Development means overall happiness in terms of monetary and non-monetary requirements. Equality in the country, freedom in the country, removal of inequalities, removal of superstitions, removal of hindrances like poverty, bribe, and other negative social evils of the society. That is also a part of development. Development means moving towards positivity, moving towards a better environment where there is equality for all, equal rules are there for everybody, and the people, they are having a sense of security. They are safe in terms of their basic needs are there with them. They have enough to eat, they have enough to wear, and they have good homes to live. That is called as development. Happiness index should be measured. Human value index should be measured to measure the development rate of any country. Not only national income, not only per capita income, but the quality of life people are living is also an important indicator of development for any country. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shen Stars. Take care, all of you.